Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Afifah Hindriyani. I'm from Management Department of Tidar University. Based on the assignment English exam project that I received, I will take apart elasticity of demand. What is elasticity of demand? I will discuss later. What is elasticity of demand? In economic, elasticity is a ratio proportional change the one variable to change another variable. In the other word, elasticity measures the sensitive or responsive consumer to price change. In economic analysis, theoretical and practical, it's very useful to know to what extent is demand responsive to the price change. Therefore, it's necessary to develop a quantitative measurement that shows the magnitude of the effect to price change on the change in demand. It measures this cause elasticity of demand. The elasticity of demand is divided into following three concepts: is price elasticity of demand, income elasticity of demand, and cross demand elasticity. Price elasticity of demand is a measuring tool used to measure of the sensitivity of change in the quantity demand of the good when there is a change in the price good. Determinant for her price factor X elasticitas. First, necessities versus luxuries is demand for essential goods generally elastic. Demand for luxury is good usual elastic. Second, availability of substitution is good many substitution are the high demand elastic demand. Example, margarine with butter. And three, market limit. If the market is finite or small, demand will be more elastic than if the market is big, because if the small market is easier for consumer to find a good substitution. Number 4, time period. Over a longer period time, the demand for various good time elastic. Example, an increase in gasoline price. Formula price elasticity of demand. Definition is the effect of change in the quantity of demands. Formula PED equal percentage change in quantity demand divided by percentage change in price. Cross demand elasticity. The coefficient shows the magnitude of the change in demand for one good when there is a change in the price of the another goods, called the cross elasticity of demand, or in the short, course elasticity. If a change in the price of goods causes the demand for goods to change. And 3, income demand elasticity, the coefficient that shows the extent to which the change in demand for an item as the result of change in buyer income. It's called the income elasticity, or demand, or in short, the income elasticity. Furthermore, there are also a level of elasticity of demand. The value of the elasticity coefficient ranges between 0 and infinity. Elasticity is 0 if a change in price will not change the quantity demand. That's what demand remain the same even if the price increase or decrease. The coefficient of elasticity of demand if infinite is at certain price, the market is able to buy all the goods in the market. This means that no matter how many times item to overbuy seller at the price, all of them will be sold. The following are level elasticity of demand. First, elastic demand. Elastic demand occurs when the change in demand is greater than the change in price. This is defined by the coefficient or ED, which is greater than 1. Example of good where demand is elastic are territory of good or luxury good. Second, inelastic demand. Inelastic demand occurs when a change in price has a little than the change in price. This is indicated by coefficient which the less than 1. Goods that have inelastic demand are primary needs. And 3. Unitary inelastic demand. Unitary inelastic demand occurs when the change in demand is proportional to change in price. This means while a price that change X% is followed by change in demand X% as well. Goods that are unitary elastic are secondary needs. Example and 4. Perfectly inelastic demand. Perfectly inelastic demand occurs when price changes have no effect on the quantity demand or symbolized by ED minus 0. The case of perfectly inelastic demand occurs when consumers no longer pay attention to price but pay more attention to how big their needs are. The demand for a good will tend to be perfectly inelastic if the good has no substitution in addition. This also depends on the level of consumer needs. The more important a good is to consumer, the more perfectly inelastic the demand for the good. An example is drugs. Result in 12% decrease in quantity from 100 for 18 and 12% price increase from 4 to 5 price. In example, unit elasticity demand curve equal 1.